In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your AXS tickets. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to attend any event that you bought tickets for inside of AXS by using the mobile app. While you can buy your tickets through the website on a computer, you will need to download the mobile app in order to attend. So look for the AXS Tickets mobile app on the Play Store or the App Store and open it up. In here, sign into the account where you have the tickets, and after you are properly signed in, when you are ready to attend the event, click this tickets icon on the bottom menu. As you can see, this will show you a list of all upcoming events that you have tickets for. You will notice that my account doesn't have any upcoming events, but you should see a list of all the events that you have tickets for listed here. All you have to do is tap on the specific event that you are going to be attending, and you should see something like this as I'm showing you on screen. You will be able to manage the ticket, transfer the ticket, sell the ticket, and at the top there should be a QR code. At the day of the event, when you are ready to attend, all you have to do is open up the AXS mobile tickets app and show this QR code to be scanned. As soon as this QR code is scanned, your ticket will be approved and you will be able to attend the event. They say that even if you don't have internet, you will be able to access this information, so all you have to do is open up the app and show this QR code to use your AXS ticket. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your AXS tickets. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.